I see you. Hi.
Hey.
How are you?
Hey.
Did we go swimming today at the lake?
Hey.
We went swimming today at the lake, huh?
Yeah.
Swimming?
Swimming.
Yeah, was it fun?
Fun.
You found goggles? Where's your goggles? On your head? Yeah. Can you put them on your eyes?
Yes.
Put them on your eyes. Let's see. Can you do it? Good job. You're silly. Poking you in the eye.
A chair.
There's a chair over there.
A chair. A bowl. A bowl.
Hey. I love you. You say I love you?
Yes.
Okay, say bye to the camera.